पर डिबेट कर रहे होते, चाहे इतनी मीडिया की टीआरपी मिल रही होती। एक पॉलिटिकल
Ladies and gentlemen, this event is proudly presented to you by Top Notch Foundation, a global name in market research and strategic consulting. This event this evening is dedicated to honoring excellence in education, healthcare, business and real estate, the pillars that are driving India's progress.
आज हम एक महान लीगेसी को आगे बढ़ाने जा रहे हैं जो कि हमें डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी ने दी है। डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी एक ऑलराउंडर, बैरिस्टर, एजुकेशनलिस्ट, सोशल वर्कर एंड एक दूरदर्शी नेता थे। ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी, we are getting these awards.
Let's once again extend a very warm welcome to Shri Rahul Narvekar ji, Honorable Speaker, Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. A book that holds a promise to inspire, innovate, empower young minds in the field of engineering and technical education. Engineering Education, Pain or Gain is the title of the book, and the book is authored by the gentleman in black, Mr. Prakash Sulakhe ji.
Good evening everyone, and thank you Top Notch Foundation for inviting me. My name is Professor Dilip K. Prasad. I am a professor at UIT, the Arctic University of Norway. I am an educator and author of more than 6 books and top 2% scientist in the world, and also a medtech innovator. I work in the area of fertility treatment for male and also the brain scanning device for stroke and other detection in the ICU patient. And I thank everyone and I congratulate all the awardees who are here. Enjoy the evening. Thank you.
और विशेष रूप से डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद जी के नाम से मिलने वाले इस सम्मान के लिए मैं आप सभी का बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। मैं एक स्टील आयरन व्यवसायी हूं जो 2004 से उड़ीसा और झारखंड में स्थापित हूं। साथ ही साथ हम दोनों राज्यों में एक संगठन चलाते हैं। ये संगठन वहां के आदिवासियों को उनकी कला, संस्कृति, उनके खान पान, उनके रहन सहन, उनके वाद्य यंत्र, उनके अस्त्र शस्त्र सभी से रोजगार उत्पन्न करने पे कार्य करती है।
These are mainly, we have done MTHL project is one of the biggest project. We have supplied almost 60 cranes. 60 क्रेन आम्ही तिथे दिल्या होत्या आणि अटल सेतू तुम्ही बघितलाच असेल. It's a engineering marvel right now in India. Thanks to all the top-notch foundation committee to welcome me for this speech. And best of luck to everyone for such a good event. Thank you.
I'm founder of North Disha Infra Private Limited. Our company is basically designing construction, architectural work in Pune and Mumbai. For myself, माझं आर्किटेक्चरल मुंबईमध्ये झालं, डॉक्टरिंग US मधून झालं. आय वॉज एशिया हेड इन स्पाझिओ ग्रुप इन इटली. 9 वर्ष मी ऑलमोस्ट 30 कंट्रीजमध्ये काम केलं फॉर प्रेझेंटिंग डिफरंट काइंड ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स इन आर्किटेक्चरल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. आफ्टर दॅट आर्किटेक्चर झाल्यानंतर इंडियामध्ये वर्ल्ड वाइड एक्सपिरियन्स जो होता तो यूज करायचा होता मला. नाव वी आर कॉन्सन्ट्रेटिंग ऑन इको फ्रेंडली कन्स्ट्रक्शन, इको फ्रेंडली डिझायनिंग अँड इको फ्रेंडली मॅनेजमेंट. I would like to show you one of my recently completed project slide in France.
We are the manufacturer of automotive components. We supply to almost, we always say that the one of our product goes to every second car in the world and every second truck in the world. And I'm really thankful that I was given a charge by, for this Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Award ceremony. Because this recognition is not just an honor, it is a responsibility basically, and responsibility to continue striving with integrity, compassion and the commitment to the excellence.
भारत देश में लगभग 6 ऐसे उपकरण मैंने पेटेंट किए जो हम चाइना से या किसी और कंट्री से इंपोर्ट करते थे. आई ऑल्सो रेज्ड अबाउट $5 million वेंचर कैपिटल फॉर माई स्टार्टअप इन 2010. Crossed first 100 crore in revenue in 2020. Sold that company for 250 crore to a Boston-based group, PerkinElmer. Now I am working on a very social problem called sickle cell anemia, which Honorable Nirmala Sitharaman ji launched a policy, National Sickle Cell Elimination.
I stay in New Jersey, US. Started my career with IBM. Have been an IT professional all my life. Have started to contribute back to the education system in India. We do education for a lot of schools in the IT field, give them the infrastructure, tell them the upcoming trends in the cybersecurity space, and work very closely with the government of India.
And almost every university, starting from MIT to PDU to UPES to RGIPT, you name it and they have it. All the students were stranded and their academic came to a standstill. At that time, I started online classes for all the students without any single thought, without blinking an eye, because for me that was the main thing, was the students who were suffering there.
पहला ऐसा कॉलेज है जहां पे डिग्री करने के पैसे मिलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे पड़ोसी हैं, एक बड़ा कॉलेज है जो राउंड अबाउट 3 साल का 12 लाख रुपए चार्ज कर रहे हैं, और हम जो चार्ज कर रहे हैं वो 1/4 ऑफ द फीस विच दे चार्ज. बट वी गिव देम पैरेलल जॉब. मॉर्निंग 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock वी गिव देम ट्रेनिंग इन द कॉलेज, एंड 1 बजे से लेके रात को 9 बजे तक वो जॉब करते हैं, कमाते हैं, अपनी फीस खुद भरते हैं.
लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि 93% का पैसा क्यों डूबता है? बिकॉज दे आर इंटरेस्टिंग इन स्टॉक मार्केट. दे आर नॉट कमिटेड इन स्टॉक मार्केट. कि इंटरेस्ट है मुझे पैसा बनाने के लिए, और जल्दी से अप्रोच करते हैं कि जितना फास्ट मनी बन पाए. तब आपका पैसा नहीं डूब सकता है. क्योंकि देखो, कभी भी कहीं किसी भी फील्ड में यदि आपको सक्सेस लेना है तो चैलेंजेस तो आएंगे.
In a world obsessed with viral trends and overnight success, our company is doing things differently, and more importantly, doing them right. In an era where digital noise is louder than results, we are making headlines by proving that marketing budgets, when handled right, are investments, not expenses. So anyone who is expecting results in a fortnight, they have to reconsider their stand, because at the end of the day, when you are building a business, it takes time, and setting up the business in the digital world with a strong foundation, it also takes time.
Friends, in life, God gave us many things and we made it its own. My family, my house, my job, my business, many achievements, many car. But during the course of the life, I think we all forgot about Meri Zimmedari. God awakened us, and therefore Shilpa, my wife, and I founded a not-for-profit company called Meri Zimmedari Foundation. That signifies the responsibility starts with me.
I come from the field of digital transformation. I have been in US for many years, served Capgemini over there in Chicago. I lived there in Chicago for 10 years, where I was part of their leadership team, and we transformed Progressive Insurance, which was a $250 million transformation project, which we did. I was heading that project in Chicago. And after that, the vision was to come back to India. So after serving various companies, I came back to India for good, which I promised my mother to come back to India. So
यहाँ पर सुनकर बहुत सारे लोगों को शायद हैरानी हो सकती है, लेकिन आयुर्वेदा में भी स्पेशलाइज्ड प्रैक्टिस की जाती है और आयुर्वेद में भी अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स में ट्रीटमेंट और स्पेशलाइजेशन होती है। और आशा आयुर्वेदा पिछले 15 साल से आयुर्वेदिक गायनेकोलॉजी और इनफर्टिलिटी का ट्रीटमेंट कर रहा है। आज टॉप नॉच फाउंडेशन ने आयुर्वेद की फील्ड को अपने इस अवार्ड में शामिल किया है, इसलिए मैं इनका तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करती हूँ।
I stand before you today not just as an entrepreneur, not just as a lawyer, but as a daughter, a dreamer, and most importantly, as someone who refused to give up. My journey from track to courtroom. Before I ever held a law book or signed a business contract, I was on the track and field chasing something far bigger than medals. That is a self-belief.
Let's give it a Forcad Mech Engineering Private Limited. For most inspiring young personality in education, leadership and nation building, and it goes to Professor Dilip K. Prasad. Our next award is for most inspiring personality in the field of social welfare, and it goes to Dr. Pankaj Kumar Soni. Most Trusted Construction Equipment Company of the Year, and it goes to NB Equipments and Engineering Private Limited, Mr. Nilesh Bhorkar, MD, sir, please. Outstanding contribution in the field of embryology, fertility and nation building goes to Dr. Kalyani Rushikesh Bade. Most Innovative Architect in India goes to Dr. Audumbar Karande. Our next category is Most Inspiring Personality in Business Leadership and Nation Building, and it goes to Dr. Sri Krishna Yogi, Group CEO and Director, Sunstar Precision Forge Limited. Most Iconic Healthcare Entrepreneur of the Year, and it goes to Dr. Yogesh Patil. Up next is Champion of Indian Values in Global Enterprise, driving the vision of Viksit Bharat, and it goes to Mr. Atul Punj. Outstanding Customer Satisfaction in Travel Solutions and Hospitality Management in India, and it goes to Country Holidays Travel India, Mr. Akash Rai, Mr. Gaurav Gupta. Our next category is Most Trusted Energy Consultancy Service Provider of the Year, and it goes to NAB Drilling Fluid Services Limited, Dr. Milad Gaur. Most Iconic Global Women Leader, and it goes to Dr. Ketiki Kasdekar. Most Trusted Neurosurgeon in Maharashtra, and it goes to Dr. Chandrasekhar Pakmode. Most Trusted and Fastest Growing Mutual Fund Distributor in Navi Mumbai goes to Prudent Asset Management. Up next is Best Child Development NGO of the Year goes to Riddhi Siddhi Charitable Trust, Mr. Gopal Singh Solanki, founder. Most Trusted Green Energy Service and Solution Provider of the Year goes to Ratan Green Energy Services, Mr. Jitendra Singh Shekhawat, Mr. Sujit Singh to please. Best Child Center Cancer Support NGO of the Year goes to Sadhguru Foundation, Mr. Dipendra Singh Solanki to please. Most renowned disease reversal health coach in India, and it goes to Dr. Srinivasu Pethanesetti. Up next is Best Hotel Management College in Maharashtra, and it goes to ICE College of Hotel Management, and the awardee is Mr. Tejinder Singh Sabarwal, founder, ICE College of Hotel Management. Most trusted Ayurvedic doctors for infertility in Maharashtra goes to Dr. Chanchal Sharma. Best Chinese restaurant in Hyderabad goes to Wacky Wok, Mrs. Sunita Mohapatra, managing partner. Crypto educator and options expert in India, and it goes to Coach Raghav Gupta. Best digital marketing agency of the year goes to Prasar Net Consulting Services Private Limited, Mr. Pasha Sanyal, Director, Ms. Mosni Chanda, VP HR and Operations to be on stage. Most respected women leader of the year goes to Mrs. Madhu Jain. Up next, most trusted real estate developer and hotelier of the year goes to Shakambari Builders Private Limited, Chandresh Bajaj and Sneha Bajaj. It is most trusted co-educational school in North India, and it goes to Satluj Group of Schools, Dr. Krit Sarai, co-chairperson, Satluj Group of Schools to please. Most inspiring client transformations and revolutionary fitness strategists of the year, and it goes to Fit@Home Ease by Dr. Ritika Bansal. Up next, India's leading real estate company of the year goes to J. Joshi Infra Projects Private Limited, Dr. Jignesh Joshi. Most innovative organic agriculture product manufacturing company goes to Inno Blooms Multi Orgon LLP, Mr. Nitish Bhardwaj. Most admired CFO of the year goes to Dr. Devnath Mukhopadhyay. Most trusted RO water purifier brand of the year goes to Osmo Water Purifiers by IV Mall Limited, Mr. Jitendra Nautiyal and Dinesh Badwal. Director Jitendra Nautiyal and Dinesh Badwal. Best nutraceutical company of the year goes to Wall Sante Functional Foods and Nutraceutical Private Limited, Mr. Satya Tiwari. Excellence in educational upliftment of underprivileged youth, and it goes to Meri Zimmedari Foundation by Mr. Nimesh Mehta, founder of Meri Zimmedari Foundation. Our next category is Innovative Medical Product of the Year goes to Voyance ECG, Dr. Manikanda Raman from Voyance ECG. Best solar panel maintenance with cutting-edge robotic cleaning solution provided in India goes to Vayu Solar, Mr. Yogesh Kumar Sandhu and Mr. Abhishek Sharma from Vayu Solar. Most influential education leader behind Karnataka's top independent college goes to Sri Ganesh Mogaveera. Most promising frozen foods brand of the year goes to A3 Foods Private Limited, Director Ashish Arankale. Leading Defence Infrastructure Development Company of the Year goes to Speed for Defence System Private Limited, Mr. Vishal Shah, Vice Chairman. Most trusted solutions, IT solution provider in India goes to Virtual Galaxy Infotech, Banking and Finance, Mr. Harshjeet Deshmukh, Director, Business Development and Marketing. Most iconic author in India goes to Dr. Harshul Savla, Dr. Harshul Savla. Transformational leadership coaching through impact storytelling goes to Mr. Kuruva Venkat Raman Murthy, founder. Transformational visionary leader, Mr. Umang Pitti, Vice President, Raja Bahadur International Limited. Top infrastructure engineering consultancy firm of the year goes to Civil Mantra Infracon Private Limited. Mr. Sushil Bhardwaj, founder and CMD of Civil Mantra, to please be on stage. Most trusted manufacturer, supplier and exporter of collagen peptide, it goes to Amar Polyfills Private Limited, Dr. Uday Raj Mishra. Personality in Digital Transformation, Leadership and Nation Building goes to Mr. Amitabh Shukla, CEO and MD Digital Quantum. Next is Best Developer of Robotic Laparoscopic Surgery Department in Hospital in India goes to Dr. Ganesh Godthi. Top Custom Manufacturer for Nutraceutical goes to Lifespan Private Limited, Mr. Narendra Ram Nambula. Most Inspiring Women in Business Leadership goes to Advocate Priyanka Ojha from Athlean India.
टॉप नॉच फाउंडेशन का बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ और आज मैंने ये अवार्ड डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी अवार्ड जो मैंने आज मुझे मिला है और जिनके हस्ते मिला है एक ड्रीम कम ट्रू है मिस्टर सोनू सूद जी और नारायण राणे जी जो फॉर्मर मिनिस्टर थे चीफ मिनिस्टर हमारे महाराष्ट्र के.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आई एम फीलिंग वेरी गुड बिकॉज श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी खुद ही इतनी बड़ी हस्ती थे और वो ये बोलते थे कि आप कुछ भी करें वो अपने से ज्यादा महत्व देते हुए करें.
देखा जाए तो एक महादेव का आशीर्वाद जिनके थ्रू कि हम ये चीजें कर पा रहे हैं. हमारा बस एक ही एम है कि हम सबको हॉलीडेज जो नाम है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली ये है कि हॉलीडेज से एक फीलिंग आती है.
Right now I have one more school which is hosting around 2,500 students in a span of 3 years. And actually, Top Notch Foundation recognized me and awarded this prestigious Shyam Prakash Mukherjee Memorial Award 2025.
Then I also have a law firm which is Ojha and Ojha Law Associate. Then we are also into healthcare. It is a Medilife Healthcare. And then the fourth company which we just launched is Skyline 3.0 Mumbai Real Estate.